Happy birthday, honey. Wait, don't open it. You have to wait until you're 18.
18? That's in 10 years.
You have to be patient, okay?
Fine. Can I open it now?
No. What did I tell you?
I have to wait until I'm 18.
Correct.
Mom, I'm home. Dad, where's Mom?
Your mom got into a car accident. She's gone. I'm sorry.
But I just saw her this morning.
Happy birthday. Your mom told me to
A
give you
box?
this.
She normally gives me letters for my birthday.
Are you gonna open it?
I mean, I am 18, so I guess. You ready?
So, what's inside?